Hey, welcome back. So I hope you had a great weekend. And this week I wanted to start off with talking about arrays. Let me put that up here, arrays. And arrays are made out of rows and columns. So they usually look a bit like a rectangle. So here is our array. And you have rows, and rows go left to right, going across. Hold up your hand like you're writing, and writing on a pretend piece of paper, kind of like writing in the air. Your hand is going left to right. It's going back and forth across like this. That is a row. So here's one row, 2 rows, 3 rows. But they also have columns. And columns are different. They do not go across. Columns go up and down. Now, go ahead and in the air, grab the air and pull it down, kind of like you're climbing a rope. You're grabbing it and you're pulling it down so that you go up higher. You are going up and down. You are making a column. So if I look at this array, we have columns up here, one here, going up and down. So arrays are made out of rows. Going across, but are also made out of columns going down. So today we're going to focus on rows. We're going to use rows, equal rows, to make repeated addition equations. We are going to move to the next page. I guess I have to end the recording. All right, so we're going to move to the next page, and there's going to be a new recording on that page. And I'm going to show you how to make repeated equations while counting the equal rows to find the total number. All right, so make sure you go to the right side of your page on this side. Let me point to it. On this side and click page 2. I'll meet you on page 2. All right, so now that we're on page 2, you can see I have 2 arrays here. I am going to find and count the rows to make a repeated addition equation. And remember, rows go left to right. They go across. So here's one, left to right. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. And so you can see that since I have 3 rows, I have 3 equal groups. Now I'm going to write how much is in each group. The first one has 2 triangles. The next group has 2 triangles. And the third group has 2 triangles. And that means 2 plus 2 plus 2, this array is 6 triangles. All right, I'm going to go again with the stars array. So here you go. I can see 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. In each row, there's 3 here, 3 in the next row, and 3 in the next row. So I have 3 rows, and each one has 3. 3 and 3 more is 6, and 3 more is 9. So this is an array of 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. All right, guys, so just to give you a little extra practice, we're going to move to page 3, and I'm going to do 2 more for you. Remember, we are practicing finding the row, writing how much is in each row. 2 plus 2 plus 2. There's 3 rows, and in each row there's 2. So our repeated addition equation has 3 2's to equal 6. So I'm going to draw an arrow here. Again, I want you to meet me on page 3. Please click on page 3, and I will have one more practice recording for you. All right, thanks for sticking with me. We're going to do 2 more just to give you a little extra practice, and then you're going to have 2 worksheets to practice. We have 1 row here. Remember, going across. I have 2 rows here. So I see 2 rows, and in each row I see 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts and 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. These are equal rows of 4. So 4 plus 4, 2 4s to show you 2 rows, is equal to 8. This is an array that shows me 8. All right, one more we're going to do together. I see 1 row, I see 2 rows, I see 3 rows. In each row I see 5. Okay, so let's write 5 plus 5 plus 5. So in each row is 5, and remember there's 3 rows, so there's 3 5s. And if I have 5 and 5 more, I have 10, and 5 more is 15. So this is an array that shows 15. All right, guys, so now it is your turn. In your packet, you have arrays that need repeated addition equations. That would be page 8 and page 9. Please complete those pages and either send me the pictures or turn them in online.